Number 26 from statistics. Two data sets are given. Data set A and data set B. Integers and frequency. Okay, if we just analyze the pattern, so you can see 20 to 30 is 3, 30 to 40 is 4, 40 to 50 is 7, and that is 9. Okay, and this one too, it's 3 and 4 and 7 and 9. So that means frequency is same, but in this is different, 10 to 20, 30 to 40. Okay, now let's see the question. Two data sets of 23 integers each are summarized in the histogram shown. For each of the histograms, the first interval represents the frequency of integers greater than or equal to 10 but less than 20. Now because this is about integer, so that means this first one is 10 to 19. Second one is 20 to 29 and so on. That means this number 20, which is the last one, for example, I am saying 10 to 20. So 20 will be counted in the next one. This is what is the meaning of this. Okay. The second interval represents the frequency of integers greater than or equal to 20 but less than 30 and so on. Okay. What is the smallest possible difference between the mean of data set A and the mean of data set B? Okay. Now we have to go back to the question. So 3 plus 4 plus 7 plus 9, there are 23 integers. Now if I try to find the mean of the first one, right, it's from 20 to 30. That means 20 is included. So 3 times 20 plus 4 times 30 plus 7 times 40 plus 9 times 50 over 23. Oh, okay, let's write the formula for mean first. So mean is actually xi times fi, sum of all of them over sum of all the frequencies, right? Okay, so 3 times 20 plus 4 times 30. Okay, let's write the mean of data set A, that is equal to 3 times 20 plus 4 times 30 plus 7 times 40 plus 9 times 50 over sum is 23. Now if I go with the other one and I want to cover this 20, so it will be till 19 as per the question. So 3 times 19, 4 times 29, 7 times 39 and 9 times 49. Okay, right. So second mean is mean of data set B is equal to 3 times 19 plus 4 times 29 plus 7 times 39 plus 9 times 49 by 23. I think calculator is allowed, right? So if you calculate the mean of both the datas and you have to find m of A minus m of B. So if you use the calculator, it's equal to 1. But let's see what if the calculator is not allowed and we have to understand the question. So m of A minus m of B is 3 times 20 plus 4 times 30 plus 7 times 40 plus 9 times 50 over 23 minus 3 times 19. Oh, I can see a pattern. 7 times 39 plus 9 times 49 over 23. So if I just combine this and this, right, so that will be 3, 20 minus 19 plus 4, 30 minus 29 plus 7, 40 minus 39. You can use the calculator. I'm just exploring this, because I can see a pattern, and when I see a pattern, it's really interesting. So it's 23. Every time this difference is 1. So we will end up at 3 plus 4 plus 7 plus 9, which is 23 by 23, which is equal to 1. So the difference of the mean is 1 and B is the right option. But if you want to use the calculator, just use the calculator, put the values over here, and the difference will be 1. I have calculated it through concept. Interesting question. Okay. Number 27, the perimeter of an equilateral triangle is 624 centimeters. The height of this triangle is k root 3 centimeters. Where k is a constant, what is the value of k? Okay. Now, first, let's understand the equilateral triangle first. It is a like very beautiful symmetrical kind of triangle, and many properties are like they themselves tell us the answer. Let's say that is ABC is an equilateral triangle, and I just draw a height over here. Now, if it is an equilateral triangle and I am drawing a perpendicular from any of the vertex, it bisects the angle as well as it bisects the side. That is a very important property. And if you apply this property, you will always end up at 60, 30, 90 triangle. Now, if you are very much comfortable with 30, 60, 90 triangle, so its sides are like this way. So 60, 30 and 90. Oh, this is angle 90, my bad. So this will be 2a, whatever is the measurement. This will be a, and this will be root 3a. This is the ratio of sides, right? Okay, let's say this is 2a here, this is root 3a, and this one is a according to this, because it bisects. Leave it here. Perimeter of equilateral triangle. Now if I am letting the side as 2a, this will be 2a and this third will be 2a. So sum is 2a plus 2a plus 2a, which is 6 of a, is equal to 624. Now if you calculate a, 624 divided by 6, which is 108, right? We have solved our question. 108 is the value of a, and this is the height, right? So that means height is, if root 3a, that means it is 108 root 3. So value, or according to question, it is k root 3. So that means k is equal to 108. Again, an interesting question. I hope you get that.